Welcome to our channel. Here we will share tips and tricks that we learned while traveling over 3 million miles, hiking over 1,000 miles on various trails including the Appalachian and Pacific Crest Trail, building our own boat, and building a conversion camper. We also plan to take you on some of our journeys in search for mythical creatures and secret locations. We hope you will join us on our journey by subscribing, commenting, and giving us your ideas as to what you'd like to see on our channel. Oh, and look out for flying tomahawks and arrows.